what's good, y'all? I'm definitely today we're gonna be doing no more ads, no ads, please. No ads. Okay, thank you. Alright, so we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers as usual. Earlier today I just found out that my good friend I play RL Y'all. Go subscribe to his channel. I actually found out that in the rankings earlier today, he's right behind me. Oh, that's gonna be easy. Easy. Over here. It's gonna be an easy word. I found out that he's right behind me in the ranking. So as you guys can see, in the corner where it says top line, there's like a little avatar on it. That's me. That's my record. Well, it's not necessarily like a complete record because there's still like more. But as you guys can see already, my record is 2 million. And then I found out on his YouTube channel, go subscribe to it, that he is at 1.875 million, I think. I think it's at 8.75 or something like that. He's on like 8.75 million. Oh no, not 8.75. 1 point something. Okay, hold up. Alright, so guys, we're back. Somebody came. Oh, wow. Okay. I have to skip it again. No. You guys, as soon as I got in, I crashed. I'm like, dang. I just found that as soon as he uploaded, he's like right behind me. If you're looking for his name, guys, on the game, it was like Sun or something, like S-U-N. I'm not sure. I think it is, because I know he's right behind me in the rankings. And then, if you guys want to look for me, I think my name will probably be like under either Nitro Dust or AM Dust or something like that. I am totally not sure which one it is, but I know it's either under Nitro Dust or AM Dust. Oh well. And if you guys want to add me on Nitro type, mine is Nitro Dust _RL. And then his is I put RL Y'all. I've been finding out that he's also been getting a lot of subscribers. Thanks to you guys for helping him out get those subscribers. So today, let's try to go for like by the end of the month. If we can get 50 subscribers by the end of July or August, if we can get 50 subscribers by the end of August, I'll do a giveaway, and the winner, I'll give away like, oh, I missed that. I'll give away a $20 PlayStation. Alright, so guys, as I was saying, if we can hit 50 subscribers by the end of, oh my god, if we get 50 subscribers by the end of August, I would give away a $20 PlayStation gift card. To enter in the giveaway, make sure to like this video. 3 easy steps. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and number 3, comment down below PS4 gift. Comment away PS4. Comment down below PlayStation. If you guys did all of the rules. Speaking of PlayStation, I actually just opened up a PlayStation box yesterday. I am gonna link that video. I'm gonna upload it like in a couple days or something. Oh wow, I just crashed my hot rod that quick. That's sad. I didn't even last on it for a second. I'm glad I did give me the hot rod. Hold up, let me just buy like hot rewards. Okay, better. Alright, now we got more hot rewards. And I am using a different easy. I did buy a whole bunch of characters. I used to like play with Wayne, and then I unlocked Fresh just now. Earlier, right now, if you guys want to enter to win a $20 PSN gift card, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below PlayStation. Comment PlayStation down below. Hashtag not sponsored. Kilco PlayStation, come sponsor me. Like right now. Sponsor me. I'm actually gonna be uploading a lot since I'm on like vacation and stuff. Oh, how did I miss that multiplier? I'm gonna be uploading a lot lately, like every 2 or 3 days. I'm recording the video for like tomorrow or something. I'm doing this like really late because I'll be tired early, so. And I just got back from like this pizza restaurant stuff. Oh wow, my game glitched. What was it? Like I just double tapped it right now. Look, it's so glitching. Still gonna beat the glitch. Let's beat it. Wow, that's sad. Oh my, why is this game glitching so hard? Why does this game got such a glitch? This game glitched so hard. Cool. Alright, let's just do this again. And I'm also thinking of doing more gaming videos, focus on gaming products and stuff. Oh wow, why is game was kept popping up? Get out of here. Get out of here, what the heck? Oh my god. Don't subscribe to here now. You upload in the middle of the upload, bro. If you guys like Instagram and stuff, go follow me on Instagram at Nitro Dust RL. Follow me to get like updates and stuff. On Instagram, I do updates on like rank and Subway Surfers and stuff. Last week, I gladly hit diamond with the breeze. I hit diamond. And hopefully I can hit diamond again this week. I'm like 3rd in the rankings so far. Last week was the first time I ever got first place in the rankings. And today is like the 3rd day in a row. I hit at least 1,000,000 points. I did it off camera because I always like trading on Subway Surfers off camera, so it would be better on camera. Oh, cool double jump. Oh, there are a whole bunch of mystery. There's a whole bunch of mystery. There's a whole bunch of mystery power-ups here today. First time in a while seeing these mystery power-ups. Yay, let's go. If you guys want to, you guys could DM me on Instagram and show your rank. Or if you guys like, spot me or something. And like what your rank is like for the week and stuff. So I'm honestly interested to find out what people's ranks are, because I'm the only one like cause I like who cares? Alright. Subway Surfers better sponsor me. If I hit 1,000,000, Subway Surfers better sponsor me. If the creators like Subway Surfers, Kilco, if you guys are watching this, sponsor me. Sponsor me right now. Please sponsor me. I'll give them one reason why they should sponsor me. Hold up. Okay. Look at right here, 64. I completed 63 missions. Completed 63 missions. She has like 63 and a half. The game's glitching. Hey, I'm so succeeding. Hey. And I probably, if you guys are wondering if I'm gonna go for like the record, probably would. I think the record's 13 million. I'm not gonna go for it in this video because it's already had to late and now I want to sleep. It's like 9 o'clock right now. I always stay up till like midnight, but I don't want to because I'm not sure, but I just don't want to. And the news is I'm also gonna do a face reveal and stuff. So like, if we can hit 40 subscribers, like as soon as we hit 40 subscribers, if either my boy I play RL Yah hits 30, or if I hit 40, then I'll upload a face reveal, and also the PlayStation unboxing video, the collector's edition unboxing video, because those are the same videos, so not much point putting in a face reveal. Also, what I'm doing a unboxing at the same time. I'm thinking change it up. Yeah, I'm gonna do strictly gaming. It's gonna be like strictly gaming and like apparel and stuff. Oh wow. Cool. Yeah, the PlayStation box. Well, yeah. I get too much keys not to waste. We're aiming for 1 million. Oh no, okay. We're aiming for 1 million, let's go. This will be the first time I'll ever hit 1 million on camera. If I can get through this, will be the first time I ever hit 1 million on camera. I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds, like, if you guys want to see 1 million. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, you guys like? Okay, let's hop back into the video. Like this video if you guys believe that I can hit 1 million on camera. For the first time in my existence. Yeah, first time in my existence. Okay, yes. Come on, Spire. This helped a lot. Oh! Yeah, no one thought I was gonna hit 1 million on camera. Let's go. Now another million away from breaking my weekly record. Nice. After all the keys I spent, I just have one net. I already get a lot. Still, it's good to get one. I'm gonna pick up 2 keys. Okay, let me just buy the complete 3 ward hunts. Okay, let me buy this as well. Yeah, I'm only at 233. Yeah, I'm broke. I know I'm broke, okay? Just don't brag about me that I'm broke, okay? I'm key rich, but the other parts I'm broke. Yes, I'm under 1 million away from my weekly record. It's not my record, it's my weekly record. Yeah, under 1 million from my weekly record. It's not, don't say that I'm trash, because this is not my record. I know I said it a million times, but just know it already.